Okay, so in the previous video we just did the gimlet, which was from the 1920s. This time we're going to be fast forwarding all the way to the 1980s with the classic Cosmopolitan cocktail. The classic Cosmopolitan cocktail traditionally uses vodka, however I don't have vodka myself, so I'm just going to be using gin. It's equally just as delicious, so don't worry there. So we have our gin, we have our cranberry juice, we have our cointreau, just to add a little bit of orange flavour to it, and we also have our fresh lime juice. Equipment wise, we are going to be using the shakers again today. For measuring, we're going to be using the jigger. If you don't have a jigger, then I suggest using any measuring cup, it's absolutely fine. And we're also going to be using our strainer just to help us out stopping the ice pouring into the glass later. Glassware, I have chosen, fitting with our 80s theme, the V glass or martini glass. Okay, so we've got ingredients, we've got equipment. Let's make this drink. Okay, so you want to take 50ml gin straight into the shaker. You're then going to want to take 25ml cointreau, 25ml lime juice, and about 35 to 50, depending on how fruity you like it, into the shaker of cranberry juice. Okay. Lovely. Separate those two. You want to take your ice, place it into the shaker, and clamp down nice and hard into the shakers. If you don't have shakers, I recommend using a plastic container like a Tupperware box. Just make sure you keep the lid on tight, otherwise it's going to go everywhere. Again, once you've clamped it, just make sure you pick it up, make sure it doesn't fall apart, and give it again 15-20 seconds shake. Make sure the tins are nice and frosty. Okay, so break it open. Okay, so you want to take your large strainer or a large spoon to stop the ice from going into the glass. Take your glass of choice and pour ingredients straight in. There we are. It should be nice, pretty pink. Okay. And for garnish, I have chosen a lime wheel again. We're just going to place that on the side. Waitrose queue was about 45 minutes long, and I didn't particularly want to go and get one orange for that wait. Okay, there you have it. There's your classic Cosmopolitan cocktail. I hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope you've enjoyed the previous video. Check out tomorrow night's video. I'm not entirely sure what I'm going to do yet, but I'll have something good lined up for you. Thank you very much, and again, please drink responsibly. Stay at home, stay safe, everyone. Have a good night. Thank you.